Turanga tuina lolo, turanga ni vanua Tikina Wai, na matri Tikina government officials, members of the small to medium enterprise training team that have been here for the last week, the director of Cooperatives, Turanganaita City, ladies and gentlemen, Mutudalavina, and it's a pleasure and honor to be here today. A very warm welcome to you all. I'm truly delighted to be here to celebrate this momentous occasion, the graduation of about 80 inspiring individuals from the Start Improve Your Business training program. This program is a testament to the government's commitment to empowering rural communities, specifically the Manoa of Nalolo and the 6 villages that have been trained over the last week. Please, can we give a round of applause to everybody that is... As I understand it, there's been 33 men and 47 women who have dedicated themselves to the 3-day program. And a government that believes a lot in inclusivity and involving the community. I'm so pleased that there's more than 50% women that have attended the training for the Start Your Business program. As I mentioned in Tauke language, the MSMEs, or the micro, small, medium enterprises in Fiji plays a very critical role in the economic landscape. Contributing towards the growth and job opportunities in our country. MSMEs are a catalyst for job creation, income generation, economic diversification, and rural community development. That is why it is crucial to offer such tailor-made training to equip our businesses with the right skills to run businesses properly. As Minister responsible for MSMEs, we are working on creating a seamless MSME ecosystem in Fiji. This ministry is working on developing an MSME strategic plan, which will hopefully improve a lot of the issues that affect small business, such as access to finance, for example, as an issue. And so hopefully in the next few years, we will be able to resolve a lot of the issues that impact small business owners. A few things I wish to highlight or share today. Number one, financial literacy is the cornerstone of success. I particularly commend the focus on the training program because understanding finances is the cornerstone to any successful business. Regardless of size, location, finance is the cornerstone in whatever you do. The knowledge you have gained will empower you to make informed decisions and manage your own resources effectively and hopefully unlock the entrepreneurial potential in whatever business ventures you have decided to undertake. The number two is the entrepreneurial spirit in the Manoa of Nalolo and the village of Tau. As we look around the room, we see a vibrant tapestry of entrepreneurs. We have farmers, retailers, talented handicraft creators, and even community members who are bringing such a rich life to the traditional performances. This diversity exemplifies the entrepreneurial spirit in the Manoa of Nalolo, and we look forward to continue to working with you to be able to maximize on the potential. Number three, capitalizing on local opportunities. As mentioned, we have the Marriott resorts close by, and obviously the Intercontinental. which present opportunities for your businesses to flourish, and hope we can actually, as government, provide a pathway or assist. I know city has already been doing some discussion, and we will only certainly try and help continue those discussions. And as I've mentioned in the Tauke language, if we turn both Momi and Natandola into Ndenaraus, this whole place will be transformed in terms of economy. Asar nangin roke nga make na lini So there is massive potential in this area of Fiji, and we truly hope as a government that we will be able to actually make steps towards making that thinking a reality. And finally, in number 4, investing in your future. Please be assured that the government of Fiji is unwavering in its support for entrepreneurs or entrepreneurship. Dei saka tukana matintu na nona biang andreva, maybe buki saka mai service mati, and buki ni laka business. Particularly in the rural areas, and ni tondak ni korelelew. We believe that by equipping individuals with the right tools and knowledge, we can unlock the wave of empowerment, economic empowerment across our great land. Please continue to pursue your ventures, and I strongly encourage you to link with Turanganaita and with the Ministry of Trade in terms of working together as we try and build a vibrant business community in the Manoa Kamikamica. Pinaka sa balebu sa banu ni sa katiko na matintu ni na katuana na mundo sa sanga na turanga. We hope that we believe and trust that you are on the road to success, and may your businesses bring prosperity to the Manoa of Nalolo, and we will do our utmost to support you in any which way we can. Mantiu sa kina na ngunturang na tinalolo, na bukoy kito sa nga na namdungan na kito may bingara sa kachugo, na bukoy sa nga ni namuni matintu, may indo sa kachugan na bosa, sa kachugan na kinlo.